Hello everybody, I'm Mahvish from Benares, India. I am an intern at Semantic Climate. In this video, I'll be demonstrating one of our tool which is pygetpapers. Before moving ahead, let me tell you what pygetpaper does. It lets you search the scholarly literature and download it automatically. It receives the hits, downloads it, and then systematically retrieves hits as PDF and XML. Now, let me show you how pygetpaper works. The very first step is to install pygetpapers through your command line. For this, we will run pip install pygetpapers. So, after running this, pygetpaper should be installed in your machine. I have already installed it, so in my case, it's showing requirement already satisfied. Now, by using pygetpaper, we will download recent papers on climate crisis and flood in Ladakh. Now, for this, we will run the search pygetpapers Q climate crisis in Ladakh. We have to put a start date. Here it is 2021. Now X here says that it will download XML file, P for PDF, and it will be saved in Ladakh 2021 directory. So enter. It may take a few minutes, so be patient. It's working. We can see here the total hits are 19 for this query. I think that's pretty good number to work with. Okay, here we go. It has downloaded the papers. Now I'll be taking you all to my directory where it is saved. This one, Ladakh 2021. Yeah, here we go. This all other research papers. Let me go inside. So here, this is the full text PDF. Yeah, this one. This is the full text XML file. Oh, it's opening. Yeah, this one. So yeah, that's all for this demonstration. I hope it will help you. Thank you.